The last thing that anyone wanted to do in 2020 was to stop clinical research. It's so important to the patients who are looking for those solutions, and to some patients that this is the only solution left. We needed to make sure that we could deliver quality data at the end of the day. But Clinipace, we strive to be the top mid-sized CRO in the industry.
Clinipace's goal is to work with our customers and our partners to drive data-driven results that value to our patients and to their families, and ensuring that they're able to get the medication and treatment that they need and deserve. In 2020, when the pandemic hit, our sponsors, our clients, our customers were concerned about what the future would bring.
We needed to think about, how do we do clinical research differently? How do we come up with creative solutions to still continue to work with each of the sponsors and each of the sites and all of the patients that were already enrolled in our clinical studies? Much of that creative work came from the partnerships that we have, specifically with metadata.
Clinipace has benefited from tremendous growth actually during the pandemic. We were able to decentralize a lot of the services that previously were on site, like e-consent. We were able to reach even more sites and subsequently more patients for a variety of indications, not only for COVID-19 trials, but for other therapeutic areas. And because of the services afforded to us by metadata, such as TSTV, e-consent, e-pro, we were able to get a greater market share, which was critical during the lockdown period.
As we think about solutions for how we can do clinical research, it is absolutely mission critical to have the right partnerships that can come to the table and help to advise on whether creative ideas and solutions are actually feasible. It was wonderful to have those experienced partners and vendors like Metadata to sit and say, absolutely, yep, we can do that, or, here's a different way we may be able to achieve what you're looking for.
Metadata offers competitive pricing for global studies or even for regional studies. They hear the needs of the market.
Some of Metadata's solutions that allowed Clinipace to grow was using the imaging add-on tools, as well as the coding, lab administration, RTSM, ePro, and then electronic consents. We were able to not only shadow metadata with our programmers and bring on more programmers to move these trials, but we were able to have metadata assist and partner with us and help us to find solutions and getting the studies up and running in approximately 4 to 6 weeks in the study startup phase.
Through our enterprise partnership, we have folks at Metadata who are willing to go the extra mile for us to help make what seems to be impossible more likely possible.